Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini Show Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make beefy cornbread. Uh, when I went through this recipe book, I saw it's super simple and easy recipe. So first time I'm ever trying to do this recipe as well. So let's see how is the final product and how easy it is. So let's get started.
I'm using lean ground beef for this recipe. So this is a 15 ounce of lean ground beef, but according to the recipe it says 10, but I have extra 5 ounces, but it's okay. I don't know what to do with extra, so I'm going to add all the meat here. But don't add any oil or any liquids here. Just put it in the hot wok so that it releases its own fat and liquids. Keep breaking it. So I'm also going to add my spices here. So I'm mixing 1 teaspoon chili powder with quarter teaspoon cumin powder. I'm going to add here. And then I'm also going to add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it. And now I'm going to add garlic salt, about 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. So as I added the garlic salt, I'll be very cautious when I'm adding salt, but still I'm going to add pinch of salt here. Spice it as the way you like. This is what the recipe says, so I'm just following the recipe today exactly, except I have taken extra meat here, so you can spice it the way you like. So break it into small pieces like this. Now keep the heat low now and let it cook for next 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl we are going to add all our dry ingredients. First of all, I'm going to add my 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 3/4 cup of cornmeal, and then 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon sugar, and half a teaspoon salt. Mix all these dry ingredients well until everything combine together. In a bowl, we are going to add 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk. You can add skim milk or any milk to your taste. I am adding 2% milk, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Also, you can add melted butter if you want. So mix all these wet ingredients well, and then we are going to mix all the wet ingredients and dry ingredients. Keep stirring until everything is combined well here now. You can see the batter is something like this, so set aside, and we go and work with our meat now again. So here I am adding my homemade pepper, but if you like you can add salsa. So I'm adding pepper here. I add half a cup, and also corn I add half a cup, and then green peas half a cup. So mix everything together. And now we can start putting all into one tray now. So let's work with that. I'm spraying my baking dish. So spread half of the cornmeal mixture in the dish and spread it evenly. And then we are going to spoon the meat mixture over the batter. And we are going to spread half of our cheese here. So today I'm putting cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. After that, spoon the remaining cornmeal mixture over the cheese. Spread it evenly again if you can. You don't have to worry too much, but just try as much as you can, because it's not easy to spread this on this cheese and everything. And then we are going to put remaining cheese on this. In the meantime, you have to preheat your oven for 375. So this goes to 375 oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm topping with the cheese again. So we'll bake this for next 25 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes actually, and this is so nice. The smell is so good around here. It's piping hot. So let it rest in the baking tray for next 10 minutes. After that we'll take a piece and we'll see how it looks inside. This is my first piece I'm going to take. It is so delicious. I just had a small piece with some pepper, and it's so nice. Give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care, and bye bye to everybody. Stay safe.